Wow, Kauai's real estate market just wrapped up 2025 with some big surprises, especially rates. Prices rebounded hard at the end of the year, but not everything is moving in the same direction. Aloha! I'm Kat, Agent Kat Kauai with the agency team Hawaii and eXp Realty. We're getting into the market update, but great news just in. Rates just dropped to their lowest level since September 2022. We are now just under 6%, 5.99, and my strategic lending team may even be able to get them lower with a rate buy down. So if you want to explore buying or refinancing options, let's talk today. This might all be temporary. For the market update, today we're reviewing the December 2025 Kauai real estate market stats and also giving you a year-end wrap-up. I'll break down how prices, sales, and inventory shifted month over month and year over year. So whether you're a buyer, investor, or seller here on Kauai, you'll know exactly where the market is heading as we step into 2026. Let's start with median sales price. For single family homes, the median price in December came in at $1.25 million. That's up 18.76% from November's $1,052,500. And compared to December last year, 2024, that's a 13.07 jump year over year. So in short, single family home values ended 2025 strong. Now for condos. The median condo price hit $720 in December, almost 2.5% rise from November's $702,500 and 5.81% higher than last December's $680,500. So condos are quietly climbing steady and sustainable growth. Vacant land, on the other hand, dipped slightly month over month, down almost a percentage, 0.9% to 825,000 from November's 832,500. But year over year, land, it's up a massive 33% compared to last December's 620,000. That means fewer sales, but at a much higher value, a trend we saw all year long. So next up is closed sales. Single-family homes saw 37 closings in December, which is down 11.9% from November's 42, but still 32% higher than last December's 28. So while the pace cooled a bit during the holidays, demand was clearly stronger than a year ago. Condos recorded 26 closed sales, down slightly from 28 in November and 12% lower than last year. For land, there were 7 sales, about flat month over month, but down 22% year over year. So more activity overall in homes, a little less in condos and land. Now, what about new listings and inventory? Inventory stayed stable across the island, about the same number of active listings as November. That means buyers still have choices, but supply is limited enough that well-priced homes are moving. Months of inventory held steady around 5 months, which signals a balanced market, neither fully a buyer's market nor sellers, but the average days on market stayed slightly elevated as buyers are being more selective and value-driven heading into 2026. Buyer demand did ease a little in December after November's rush, but year over year, demand remains much stronger than last year, and mortgage rates held steady at roughly 6.5%, which helped sustain buyer confidence, especially after earlier drops in late 2025, and now today, like I said earlier, 5.99. So sellers, meanwhile, stayed patient. Many still hold low mortgage rates, so we're not seeing distressed sales. That means most listings you see now are strategic sellers, folks who are timing the market or repositioning for 2026. So with the year-end wrap-up, 2025 was a year of adjustment, but also resilience for Kauai real estate. Here's what stood out. Single-family homes were priced slightly lower year to date, but demand and volume finished strong, proving the market still values Kauai's single-family home lifestyle. Condos saw a steady price appreciation with a modest slowdown in overall transactions, with land the most volatile segment, but also the one with the biggest year-over-year value gains. Across the board, we saw more price sensitivity, stabilized mortgage rates, and a move towards a balanced market. Healthy signs for 2026. So what does this mean for you? If you're an investor, Kauai remains one of the most resilient markets in Hawaii, with strong long-term appreciation, especially in condos and land. And if you're a seller, 2026 could be your year to move. With prices rebounding and demand holding steady, properly priced homes are still selling fast. If you'd like to see what your property could sell for now, or if you're curious about the best investment areas on Kauai heading into 2026, reach out to me anytime. I'm Kat, and we just wrapped up our 2025. I'm Agent Kat Kauai, and that wraps up our 2025 year-end market update. I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.